Hello all, I'm Dr. Priya from Neha Psychiatry Clinic. I'm a consultant psychiatrist there. Today I'm here at Oak Ridge International School, Bachupalli. So today is a very complex world and it's very important for students to learn about resilience. Let's see how the Oak Ridge Bachupalli School involves a concept of holistic well-being to every student who's studying here. So now we are inside the Oak Ridge School. Let's see how the early education functions here. Let's walk into the school and enter the classroom, the early year education system. Let's have a sneak peek into it while the teacher teaches the class. Let's go. So now we are in the early years classroom. Let's just talk to our teacher what exactly happens in the early years classroom. Hi ma'am.
Hi ma'am.
So can you please tell me, your class is way too lively. What kind
Thank you
of
so much.
activities do you do here?
Yes, so we are an IB school and we cater to the holistic development of the child. We believe in developing curiosity among our learners so that they can express themselves with freedom of speech. We also believe in nurturing the lifelong learners. So here, it's not a regular school that teaches with the chalk and talk method, but definitely an enriching school which gives the utmost kind of an infrastructure plus highly professionals who helps them to nurture in a very caring and lovable environment.
Well, that's a very good brief of what happens, and play and exploration activities
Yes.
are very important in
Very
early
true.
education.
Yes.
Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you so
time.
much, ma'am. Thanks.
So now I'm walking into the primary division classrooms. Let's have a sneak peek of how the teacher develops emotional intelligence in children. It's very important to know about emotional intelligence, self-regulation, self-awareness, developing empathy starts here. So let's go into the classroom and see what's happening there. Let's go. So now I'm in a primary year classroom. I'm here with the teacher, Ms. Lakshmi Anand. So let's ask, what kind of activities are very important for primary years, ma'am?
For primary years, when I say IB curriculum, it is inquiry-based learning where students have voice, choice and ownership of their own learning. So here you can see they are doing decimals. They have connected their unit of inquiry with transdisciplinary connection with mathematics.
Okay. So what kind of other emotional intelligence activities do the children get to experience?
Yeah, so when it comes to fostering emotional intelligence, we engage them with like we have Peace Corner, where the students go to their corner when they feel low or they are not able to control their emotions or manage their emotions. They go to the Peace Corner, they self-regulate and to find peace.
So self-regulation is very important part for primary years, and I think ma'am has wonderfully covered that. Thank you so much for your time.
Priya.
So let's move into the secondary year age group with a lot of stress regarding studies and a lot of burden regarding goal setting and setting an identity, forming their goals. It takes a lot of toll on your mental health. So let's see how the teacher tackles with the social support groups is a very important part of their curriculum. Let's move into their classroom and have a sneak peek of how she deals with it. Let's go. So now we have entered the classroom where I can see the age group of 15 to 16 years, youngsters sitting out here. So I'm here, teacher Joyce. Could you tell me what kind of curriculum, how does the social support groups work out here in Oak Ridge?
So, ma'am, we at Oak Ridge have students from a diverse background, and to cater to this need, we ensure that the students get a positive background, a positive environment day to day. For that, we have peer-pair system where students can share with their peers about their academic stress, their mental problems. We have a very strong counseling team which helps them throughout the year not just in personal development but also to tackle their academic stress and to have a good mental health.
Thank you so much. It's a wonderful insight for us. Thank you. So now we are sitting in this wonderful library of Oak Ridge. Making informed career choice is one of the crucial and integral part of any school curriculum. So here I am sitting with Ms. Shalini, the head of National Curriculum, who will give us some insight into how Oak Ridge is incorporating it. Hello ma'am, could you just give us some insights about it?
Hi Dr. Priya. So when I talk about Oak Ridge and its program and the career growth, when a child take admission here in PYB or early years, they have a vision that they will get graduate from Oak Ridge. So we shape our students accordingly, right from early year to secondary and then senior secondary. Coming into senior secondary, profile building is the main important component of the university application. The prominent part of profile building is community service, where it takes a lot of weightage in the foreign university application. And we do this at Oak Ridge on a very broad scale. We also give students the opportunity for expedition to the various countries, as we are associated with Nord Anglia. So our association in that collaboration also works added feather to the cap of the students. So there is a lot like ocean. It is from the ocean we choose the pearl out and we make the students to shine ever.
Okay, that's a wonderful insight. Thank you so much for your time. So we have navigated through all the classroom and the different types of learning they have done. So I think Oak Ridge has a very tailored, a methodology for every classroom, and there are a lot of emphasis on the holistic well-being. And I think it's very important for parents, including a parent like me, to choose something like an Oak Ridge International School, because it's not just the academics. Holistic well-being is also about social, emotional and environmental factors which play a major role in it. So it's very important to choose a school which emphasizes on a holistic well-being, and I think Oak Ridge is one of such schools which have seen, in fact, the live classes where the teachers aren't prepared either, and the education system is being wonderful. So I think they not just emphasis on academics, but in fact a holistic approach. Social connections are built. They are dealing with stress, anxiety. The teachers are talking about self-regulation mechanisms and how to tackle, have a sense of calm. All this definitely emphasizes in this school, and I think it's very important thing when we choose a school. It's not just for learning but overall quality of the child's life. Thank you.